Hi, today I have a combination lock for you guys. It's still in the package, and this is BRUKSBO combination lock, trivial small one. I'm hoping with a false gates made in China, 30mm. 000, turn it 180 and press down, change, release the shackle, yeah, the standard one. So yeah, let's cut this one and try to decode it to be out of the package decoding, hopefully. Yeah, here it is, the green small one. So it's working 000, so now I'll try to do it like this in different, so hopefully everything is in a gate. Yes, and now I need to, yes. So as usual, I will put everything as a 0, 0, 0, and now let's start. I need some lock to so I have this very interesting SJ lock, but another time for that one. So let's start. It's a bit tricky to hold the lock. Scissors. So yeah, one, second, third wheel, nothing. So I need to figure it out if there is a false gates or not. I think there are false gates. That's good. So maybe I need more. This is not moving. This is not moving. So let's start. What? 283. Good. I think this was I was so lucky that I need to do it again. So oops. 382. No. Yes. What? Yeah. Now I can change the combination. I don't know what happened, so I really want to figure it out how I can decode this one. Oh boy. Out of the box decoding, and it's like, let's start it. Open. No. Let's figure this out. How we are going to yeah, probably there are false gates because I can feel them. So let's start now with, I think it's 8. It's moving a lot, probably that's a gate. This one is not moving that much, so maybe 1, not 7, probably it's a 5, because you can see I'm moving it from one part, or maybe not. No. Probably. So let's start with the forces wheel. No. Yeah. And the combination is, I think, 9, 5, 8. So think this is with the false gates, but they're so crappy one. So yeah, so that's how you decode a small combination lock made in China. In this case is BRUKSBO. And here's again the package. I think I bought this in Rusta, yeah, rusta.com, made in China. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. This was the BRUKSBO lock decoded out of the package. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.